Go to Google and type Microsoft click on the first one and click on join and create. If you have an account, you sign in. If you do not have an account, then you click on create one. Now we are here. So every day you will have 15 coins, and so you can type your prompt here. You can also scroll like this to search for maybe for inspiration or anything. You can feed your eyes by scrolling down. Look at something like this. You can get prompt idea from the images that are there, and you can type your prompt here. Now let's type our own prompt here. So this is the prompt we'll be using. Generate a pixel style image of a bride running away with a flower bouquet and her bridesmaids running after her in a church setting. So let's see what it will bring for us. We have to give it time to load. Here we have it. Here we have it. If this does not meet what you want, you can change your prompt and search for something else and put something else. It also has a mobile app. To use the mobile app, you go to Play Store. This is it, and you can download it. I have it downloaded already. So let's try and use the mobile app. For you to use that one, you click on Copilot. Now when you click on Copilot, it leads here. Now we can put our prompt here. Let's think of what to put. So this is the prompt we'll be using for this. An image of a chubby boy running away with a big bowl filled with chicken in his hands, with his friends running after him in a market setting. You have to be specific with what you want. That's what will make it give you a nice response. And if it does not give you a satisfactory response, you can try again over and over again by editing your prompt to get whatever you desire, and you have to give it time to load. Now see this. You click on it. This is one. This is another one. Then you can download. If you want to download it, you come here and you download. Let's try one more. This image is also trending. Create a 3D illustration of an animated character of a lady sitting casually on top of a social media logo, LinkedIn. The character must wear an orange top on a blue jean trousers, and the name and all. So let's see what it will bring for us. So here we go. You just have to be detailed about whatever you are explaining. Can you see this is Rebecca Bayomi LinkedIn, and this is the lady sitting. You can scroll and choose whichever one you prefer. Did you learn anything from this video? There is more to come. You can go through the previous videos, and for more videos, subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you will not miss out. See you in the next video.